The Indian share market today recorded the highest ever fall in the history of the share market. The Nifty fell for more than 700 points in a single day, and the Sensex, which fell for more than 2,300 points within a single day. Usually, the Nifty and the Sensex will trade at around 1% or maximum 2% fall upside or downside. 2%. Today, it fell for 6%. That is a very, very huge, and never in the history of share market crash has ever this much the share market recorded the volatility and fall. So what is the cause of this fall, and what are the other implications of this share market crash? So the main reason for this share market crisis is the coronavirus. The coronavirus has become a global issue now. All the around more than 105 countries are being affected due to this coronavirus, and due to this the global trade and commerce, all the almost 95% of the industries are getting affected. They are not able to do trading is getting affected. All the industries are getting hit by this coronavirus. And apart from this, today also the crude oil prices, the prices of the raw material for petrol and diesel, all this, the crude oil also known as the Brent crude, and it is also traded as MCX crude in India, has fallen to a record low. Around 25% fall has been seen within a single day, which I have seen never in the share market within a single day. So due to this fall in the crude oil prices, and also due to the global economic crisis due to coronavirus, and due to the falling value of rupees and the increasing dollar value, also the share market has suddenly shown such a sharp fall in its value. All the shares, all the market capitalization of our Indian share market has been lost so much. Lakhs and lakhs of crores of rupees has been lost. The major share market company, highest market capitalization, one of the biggest company of our India is the Reliance Industries Limited, which also today saw a fall of around 15%, which is a record for it. It has never fallen this much in its history. So all this has led to the share market fall. And now I will try to tell you what are some other important points from this share market fall. One is the crude oil prices have been fallen. Why is that? Due to the price war by the Saudi Middle East countries. What is this price war? The countries are due to this trade trade fall, the deficit which is now going on, the economic fall which is going on due to this coronavirus and other factors. There is a price war between various countries which are exporting oil. So Saudi has reduced its prices to a very record low levels, due to which crisis has been there in the crude oil prices. It has fallen so low. What are the implications for India? It can be good for those companies for which crude oil is a raw material. For example, if you take if the prices of crude oil falls, the oil marketing companies, if they are selling at higher prices the fuel, they can earn higher revenue. The government can earn higher revenue provided they don't pass this benefit to the customer. Usually this is a temporary fall. Within 2-3 months it will come back, something good will happen. So usually government may not pass the benefit to the customer, otherwise the prices of the petrol and diesel will be around 60 to 65 rupees only. So this will be beneficial to those oil marketing companies, oil companies, since they can earn more profit. And another is that the automobile industry will get a boost since the crude oil prices has come down. The petrol prices and diesel price can get down a little. It will settle at a little lower prices than what it is now. So this will give boost to the automobile industries, and falling prices of the petroleum and diesel can lead to fall, or it can, if the benefit is not passed to the customers, then it will give more profit. It will be more profitable for the aviation industry, the aeroplanes, those companies which are laying flights, commercial flights. For them, the cost of the fuel will be so low, so they can earn more profit. And also some extent, the prices of the fares, the flights fares can be reduced, through which the income in the aviation sector can be generated. So due to crude oil, there are many other industries for which there are various implications, both positive and negative. Mostly there is positive for India. Crude oil prices gets down, it is positive for Indian companies mostly. I will not go deep into more analysis, otherwise I will keep on telling you more information. Apart from that, if you take the dollar, which has gone to highest level, it is now trading at around 74 rupees. That is, it is around 74 rupees per dollar. So what are the implications of the 74 rupees, due to which if you are a trader, if you are having investments in dollars, and then your revenue will get high, your foreign exchange revenue will get high. That is, you are earning more money. If you convert your dollars into rupees at this moment, you can get more money, you will get more income, more revenue and profit. Same way, the government is holding huge reserves. The RBI, the government will hold huge reserves in dollars, foreign exchange reserves. So if they convert those into rupees at this moment, they will get more profit. And usually this happens in the market, if you are aware. Usually when there are situations like this in the economy, they will sell the dollar and convert into rupees, since you are getting more money. And when the price again settles, they will again buy the dollar. This keeps on happening. These are called the foreign exchange fluctuations account, which are prepared separately. So people will get benefited, they can earn money through this if they are traders and investors. Likewise, due to this economic crisis of this due to this coronavirus, the foreign investors, the long-term investors, everyone is getting affected. Usually in the market, only the short-term investors will usually get affected, but in this crisis, in this phase of this economic crisis due to this coronavirus, even the long-term investors are getting highly affected, which I can see in the market. As the market has gone so low, and all the prices of the shares have fallen so low, all the mutual fund are getting affected. So this is reducing their net asset value. It will again revive, the market will again revive, but it may take some time, because it is not still certain when this coronavirus problem will eradicate. So still there is a panic situation. But if you see for 3-4 years, 5 years, it is sure that our economy will, the world's economy will boom again, and we will again start moving towards growth. For your kind information, the Indian share market was performing better than all other share market in the world. When Modi government won the elections, the share market made a record highs, of all-time highs in his history. It was trading above 12,000. The Nifty was trading above 12,000. The Sensex reached around 40 to 43,000 points. And also when recently the corporate tax cut was announced, the share market again recorded all-time high. But when we were moving in this high growth phase in the market capitalization, suddenly this coronavirus outbreak from China has led to such a downfall in the market capitalization, and the fear of the investors, both domestic and international investors, to invest money in any country. So all this inflow of money has been reduced, the trade has been reduced, everything is getting impacted, all the industries are getting hit by this. So it may take some time to revive, but we have to see what is there in the future. We have to wait and see what happens. due to this coronavirus. How this outbreak of this virus is being tackled by the world, because not only India, all the market and major markets, if you are not aware, are the US markets, the Japanese markets, Chinese market, European markets, and our Indian market. All the markets are trading in red. They are getting a huge downfall continuously for around 3 sessions, that is around 3 days. They are falling heavily. So this is a global economic downfall scenario which has to be tackled properly by various economists and all the world economists. Let's see what happens in the future. Hope for the good. This was the information which I wanted to share with you, which was very important. So try to analyze what I have given you. Thank you.